Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Avast One security features and browser cleanup easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Avast website. Locate the download section for Avast One. Click on the download button to begin the process. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to start the setup. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to proceed. Read the terms and conditions, then click Accept. Choose the installation type that suits your needs. For most users, the default settings are recommended. Click on Install to start the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, click Finish to exit the installer. Avast One will launch automatically after installation. You will see a welcome screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to create or log in to your Avast account. After logging in, you will be directed to the Avast One dashboard. Here, you can explore various security features. To use the browser cleanup feature, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on Privacy. From the options, select Browser Cleanup. Avast will scan your installed browsers for unnecessary add-ons. After the scan is complete, review the detected items. You can choose to remove unwanted extensions or reset your browser settings. Click Clean to remove the unwanted items identified. Once the cleanup is done, you will receive a confirmation message. Explore more features available in Avast One to enhance your security. Regularly check the dashboard for updates and scans to keep your device secure. Feel free to adjust your settings according to your preferences for enhanced protection. That concludes the tutorial on installing Avast One and utilizing its browser cleanup feature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.